Hi guys!
Hi boys and girls, we're together for today's video.
So we're keeping our social distancing and following all the COVID rules, but we're here to talk about writing a multiplication number story. It's easier than you think. First of all, you think who or what is the problem about. Then you pick a fact. Maybe you're going to pick a fact that you need practice with. For example, I need practice with 6 times 8. Now, I'm going to put it in my memory bank, but 6 times 8 is 48. Now, I have the makings for a multiplication number story. For instance, I could say, I have 6, what's a container? A box, a bucket, a bureau drawer. What else could I have, Miss O'Connell? That's a container.
Sometimes you might think about shelves.
Shelves. Baskets. All right, so now that I have that, I'm going to say I have 6. I'm going to pick buckets. And then I might be thinking, what can I put into a bucket? I can put 8 of something. Seashells. All right, so from there I can say, Amy has 6 buckets with 8 seashells in each bucket. And here it is, the final question. How many shells does Amy have? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that down, and then I'm going to come back to you and show you what I have. All right? Okay, guys. So I wrote my number story, and here it is. Amy has 6 buckets with 8 shells in each bucket. How many seashells does Amy have altogether? And my answer, 48 seashells. Remember what I did? I picked a fact. I picked a hard one. Why not? Maybe one that I need practice with. And then I thought, what do I have 6 of that are containers, boxes, barrels, baskets, not just things that begin with B, but shelves, drawers, something that will hold something else. Could be cars with 8 passengers in each car. And then once I did all the hard stuff, I just write it, and it's a lot of fun. Good luck with yours.
Yep. Hi boys and girls, so now it's going to be my turn to do a problem with you, or to come up with a number story together. So Mrs. Benoit, I'm going to follow her steps. She said, first, I need to pick a fact. One that's either challenging for me or one that I really am focusing on as of lately. So for me, I'm working on my 9s facts. I know I have my finger trick. I know I can sing my songs, but I'm still working on mastering that. So I'm going to pick a 9s fact. How about, I think I'm going to do 9 times 3. And I know that that equals 27. Okay, so I've picked my fact. And now what I need to do is think about what kind of a model will I have to use to solve this. I know Mrs. Benoit talked about using equal groups. She talked about buckets or something you can put something inside of, right? So she has buckets with shells. For me, I'm thinking I might want to use an array. So for mine, I might think about rows of, or putting something in equal rows. What is something that you put in equal rows?
Circles.
Maybe circles, yeah, or maybe even flowers in a garden, thinking about Mr. Zuckerman or farmers. So mine might be about flowers in a garden. So let's see. Emma, because that's my name, so Emma plants 9 rows of flowers. Now, I remember Mrs. Benoit telling me that this word each is so important. That's the word that signals that this is a multiplication word problem. Emma plants 9 rows of flowers. She puts 3 flowers, and here's the word, in each row. How many flowers in all? Good. So now the difference here is we both have our multiplication word problems. You would approach them differently. Mrs. Benoit might draw equal groups, 6 equal groups, and put her 8 shells in each group. Me, I might draw an array. I would have 9 equal rows with 3 in each row. And my answer will be 27 flowers in all. Now what you're going to do is the same thing. You're going to work on a Jamboard to come up with at least 3 multiplication word problems, and then Mrs. Benoit and I are going to pick our favorites, and you're going to get a brag tag. How many brag tags we send home?
How about we do 3?
3 brag tags.
So it's a contest?
It's a contest.
Yes.
It's a contest between all of 3rd grade. We're going to pick 3 of our favorite multiplication word problems. Be creative. Ours were about seashells and flowers. Be creative. See what you can come up with.